A Canadian Talent Agency Guide. Chapter 1. Canada has an active TV movie industry. Find agents at the Talent Agents and Managers Association of Canada. tamac.ca/members.php?ID =2. They list agents for Montreal, Toronto, and Vancouver. Get a list of Canadian talent agencies at Vitrina. 6trina.ai/blog/discover-the-best-entertainment-talent-agencies-in-Canada. Click on the agencies they list for contact info. Some Canadian talent agent websites. The Characters Talent Agency. TheCharacters.com. Vancouver, Toronto, and Calgary. IntegralArtists.com. Below-the-line talent like cinematographers, costume designers, and hair and makeup artists, as well as on-camera actors through its boutique division. KirkTalent.com. 10talentmanagement.com. HeadsHotsMatter.com. DaCosta Talent. DaCostaTalent.com. Toronto and Vancouver. AmbitionTalent.com. Toronto. TalentHouse.ca. YCAA.ca. Some Canadian talent agencies at eictalentagents.ca/signatories. They list several pages of talent agents. I only list page 1 here. 10 Talent Management. Info at 10talentmanagement.com. 10talentmanagement.com. ObTalent. Info at obtalent.com. obtalent.com. Actors and Artists Management. actorsartists@hotmail.com. Agency Talent Management Inc. Submissions at theagencytalentincture.com. theagencytalentmanagement.com. Amanda Rosenthal Talent Agency Inc. Toronto at arteagencyinc.com. arteagencyinc.com. Ambition Talent Inc. Info at ambitiontalent.com. ambitiontalent.com. AMI Artist Management Inc. Info at amyagency.ca. amyagency.ca. Applause Bickerton Model and Talent. bickertonmodels.com. ARC Artist Representation Co. the-arc.ca. Bella Agency. thebellaagency.ca. Burke Agency Inc. lisaburkeagency.com. Caliber Agency Inc. caliberagency.com. Carrier Talent Management Inc. carriertalent.com. Catalyst TCM Inc. catalysttcm.com. Characters Talent Agency. TheCharacters.com. Choice Talent Agency. choicetalentagency.com. Colin McMurray and Associates Inc. colinmcmurrayinc.com. Creative Drive Artists. creativedriveartists.com. DaCosta Talent Management. dacostatalent.com. Decoro Talent Management. decorotalent.com. DWM Management. dwmmanagement.com. Edward G. Agency Limited, the edwardgagency.com. Element Artist Management Inc. element-artist.com. elementateistmanagement.com. ETM Limited/Edna Talent Management. etmltd.com. Exposure Talent. Exposure Talent at rogers.com. Headshot Photographers. Vancouver Headshots Inc. vancouverheadshotphotographer.ca. Warren Shepherd Photography Toronto. warrenshepherdphotography.com. Hero Headshots Toronto. heroeshots.ca. A list of talent agencies at backstage.com/magazines/articles/talent-agencies-for-actors-in-Canada-74832. Calgary Talent Agencies. Degaz Talent. dagazytalent.com. facesofwendy.com. Toronto Talent Agencies. Filmcom Talent. filmcom.ca. The Talent House. talenthouse.ca. Vancouver Talent Agencies. Go Talent Management. gotalentagency.com. Ignite Artists. Ignite-artists.com. Lucas Talent Inc. lucastalent.com. Premier Talent Management. ptmtalent.com. Principles Talent. principlestalent.com. Trisco Talent Management Inc. triscotalent.com. Canadian Talent Agencies at headshotsmatter.com/Canadian-casting-talent-agencies. Vancouver Agencies. Alearia Model Agency. alaria.com. Instagram at Alearia Agency. Carrie Wheeler Entertainment Group. carriewheelerentertainment.com. Instagram at Carrie Wheeler Entertainment. Charles Stewart Models. charlestuartinternationalmodels.com. Connect Creative Agency. conniktcreative.com. Instagram at Connect Creative. Family Management. thefamilymanagement.com. Instagram at Family Management. Go Talent Management. gotalentagency.com. Instagram at gotalentagency. Jaeger International. jaegerinternational.com. Instagram at Jaeger_management. John Casablancas. jcvancouver.com. Instagram at VanModelAgency. Key Model Management. Instagram at Key Models. Lisbel Agency Ltd. lisbelagency.com. Instagram at lisbelagency. 514-842-4444. Richards International. richardsmodels.com. Instagram at richardsmodels. The Characters Talent Agency. thecharacters.com. Instagram at Characters Talent Agency. 604-733-9800. Wilhelmina Vancouver. fashionmodeldirectory.com. Instagram at Wilhelmina_CA. linkedin.com/company/Wilhelmina-Vancouver. 604-558-4864. Vancouver Boutique Agencies. Kaisa Management. kysamanagement.com. Instagram at Kaisamt. linkedin.com/company/KYSAmanagement. 778-227-1418. Division 73. division73.com. Instagram at Division73Talent. 778-231-8444. lucastalent.inc.lucastalent.com. Instagram at lucastalent inc. linkedin.com/company/lucas-talent-inc. 604-685-0345. Toronto Agencies. AMP Talent Group. amptalent.com. 416-568-9848. Art, Amanda Rosenthal Talent Agency. arteagencyinc.com. BNCO, Talent. bcotalent.com. Carolyn's Model and Talent Agency. carolynsonline.com. Instagram at Carolyn's Talent. 905-542-8885. Choice Talent Canada. choicetalent.ca. DaCosta Talent Management. dacostatalent.com. Edna Talent Management. ETM Limited. etmltd.com. Filmcom Talent. filmcom.ca. Fireside Talent. firesidetalent.ca. Toronto, Ottawa, and Montreal. Max Agency. maxagency.com. Instagram at maxagency official. 416-482-5392. Meridian Artists. meridianaartists.com. 416-961-2777. ML Talent Agency. mltalent.com. Instagram at ml_talent. 416-985-2278. Orange Models and Talent Management. orangemodels.ca. Toronto with offices in Montreal and Vancouver. Ritter Talent Agency. rittertalentagency.com. Toronto and Vancouver. Susan J. Model and Talent Agency. SusanJ.com. Talent House. TheTalentHouse.com. The Characters Talent Agency. TheCharacters.com. Instagram at Characters Talent Agency. 416-964-8522. The Agency Talent Management. TheAgencyTalent.com. Toronto Boutique Agencies. TN Model and Talent. TNModelandTalent.com. Instagram at TonModlandTalent. 905-850-9858. Amanda Rosenthal Talent Agency, Art Incorporated. ArteAgencyInc.com. Toronto and Montreal. GGA, Goddard, Winter and Iqbal Agency. GGAgency.ca. 416-928-0299. Milo Casting. MiloCasting.com. Instagram at MiloCasting. 416-546-6974. Showcatcher Talent. Showcatcher.ca. Instagram at ShowcatcherTalent. 416-893-9848. 10 Talent Management. 10talentmanagement.com. Instagram at 10 Talent Management. ObTalent. ObTalent.com. 416-594-0222. Ambition Talent Inc. AmbitionTalent.com. AMI Artist Management Inc. AmiAgency.ca. The Arc Artist Representation Co. The-Arc.ca. The Bella Agency. TheBellaAgency.ca. Montreal Agencies. Maven Models, MM. mavenmodels.com. Instagram at Maven Models. 514-419-9178. M2 Management/Forte Artist. Forte-artists.com. Instagram at Forte Artists. 514-419-9178. Montreal and Toronto. Agents Claude Gerard. ClaudeGerard.com. Instagram at agents.claude.gerard. 514-658-5518. TBT Management. tbtmanagement.ca. Instagram at tbmanagement. 514-270-0655. Bellini International. BelliniInternational.com. Instagram at bellini.talent. 514-290-1252. DaVinci Talent. DaVinciTalent.com. 514-523-9106. Agents Reisler Talent. Reisler.ca. 514-843-4551. Dulcedo Management. Dulcedo.com. Instagram at Dulcedomodels. 514-312-5272. Montreal and Toronto. Folio Montreal. Foliomanagement.com. Instagram at Folio Management. 514-288-8080. Book Management. 514-621-2665. Montreal Boutique Agencies Plus Organizations. Actra Montreal. ActareMontreal.ca. Instagram at Actramtal. 514-844-3318. Martinez Management. MartinezManagement.com. 514-286-6001. eSpace Talent. eSpaceTalent.com. 438-800-3003. Orange Model Management. OrangeModels.ca. Instagram at Orange Models. 514-284-6664.